All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to type on a path or a circle or any shape really, but so I'm going to just grab the circle tool, hold shift to make a perfect circle. Now we're going to go up here to the type tool, and I'm going to click and hold on it, and I'm going to pull down to this type on a path tool. And you click here, boom, you've got that. I'm going to replace that with just some normal text there. Okay, and we'll click the move tool. Now we can grab it here. So when I click on it, you can see that I've got these two lines here and one here. So this guy flips it in and out. See that? So if I grabbed it, the little arrow popped up. I'll do it again here. And I'll bring it back out. See that? So, don't be scared. Play with this thing and delete it and do it over if you need to. And here's the in and out. These are like the in and out nodes where it starts and finishes. So you can see that now the type is going to start here, and I can have it finish, here. I can even make it go away. So those are your start and finish points. See that? And then every time you do that, this thing is going to end up in this. The flipping in and out is going to be in a different spot. So just keep your eye on this blue line right here. I'll zoom in really hard, but yeah, this is your in and out guy, inside and outside. And then you have your start and finish points, and you just grab them and go. I mean, it's a little funky at first, but yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.